Now I'm pissed. Back in your hole. Check your aim. Go!
Let's get the hell out of here before any more show up. Double time it to the ore transporter.
Come on, come on!
Shit! More juvies!
Back to where you came from!
Our ore transporter's up these stairs.
This is our way back up?
You're coming!
Kait, with me. James, we need a plan.
Okay, fuel tank.
Exploded.
Control room?
Destroyed.
Hurry!
We fly?
Huh? Interesting. Also impossible.
Maybe not. Hey! I got a plan!
And for the record, I had no input on this plan.
Everyone, grab a cable! Shoot! Oh, shit! Ah, see? I told you this would work!
This is not a good idea!
Webbing! Clear it out! This mine shaft's falling apart!
No! Holy shit, that was close!
Juvies incoming! And Juvies outgoing!
Oh shit! Counterweight!
Remind me whose idea was this again? Hey, it's a work in progress.
Just shoot the webbing!
Got one! That's two! There! We're free!
Whoa, what's happening?
Ah,
And you said we couldn't fly. Hey, Dad. You okay?
Yeah. But listen, before we hit the other hive, we should think about backup.
What? You mean Jin?
No, a friend.
Come on, anyone but him.
Calling him in means a slight detour.
A detour? What if we detoured on our way to you?
Kate, I told you, your mother's...
That's right, you'd probably be a puddle of goo right now. Or worse.
Oh, come on. There's not much worse than a puddle of goo.
We're going to get her. Now.
Dad, it's her mother.
That burial site is twice the size of this one.
You've been in her position. Did you wait for backup?
Shit. You won't be able to see the burial site from here. It's on the other side of the dam. Come on.
So, who are the four guys on top of that thing?
No one. They represent the four sources of energy: water, air, solar, and gas.
No emulsion?
The dam was built pre-emulsion.
Oh, wow, it's that old. There's hardly anything left that's that old.
There are still a few things.
You know, a while back, I looked up how many locust burial sites there actually were, and I got a big old classifier.
There were dozens of them. Maybe even hundreds.
They can't all be infested, right?
Well, we're gonna find out, one way or another.
All right. That service tower will get us to the dam.
Shit, wind flare, coming in fast!
We gotta move! How much time do we have before that thing hits?
Not much.
Swarm!
Take him out before the wind flare hits!
We don't have time for this!